Hey guys, how you doing? This is Bennett Watson. Thank you for joining me on this video. Well, I shot this video to give you some YouTube video marketing tips. Now guys, when you're on any kind of social media site, getting attention is the most important thing. Catching somebody's eye and standing out is the most important thing. And one of the easiest ways you can do that with YouTube is by using thumbnails, custom thumbnails. I'm on YouTube right now, but you can see what most people are doing. They're using these custom images, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to do it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to Canva.com, and I'm going to show you how to create one for your video. And you can also do it within YouTube, but what I'm going to show you is how you use it through Canva.com. Okay, I'm over here on Canva, and they have different designs. You got Instagram, YouTube, and YouTube thumbnail. That's what we want. YouTube thumbnail. So you click on that. And you can go scroll through here and pick which one kind of stands out to you, which one that kind of fits what you're trying to get across. I mean, if you're in the outdoors kind of niche, you probably use something like this, or you can. This is the one that I modified right here. And what you can do, you can get rid of this image right here, get rid of this, and you can upload anything you want in here. And you can change this message. You can change the color of the text. See here, you can change this. You can put whatever you want in here. Doesn't matter. You can design this any way you want, and it's really simple to use. And you can change the size of it, fit, whatever you like, however you want. Change the color of it. Sky's the limit with this, guys. It's so easy. And you can upload your own images. You can put them right here. Say if you want to use your own picture, which I've done, you just go to uploads, and you can upload different images that you've uploaded. Maybe you want a picture of you on your image, which a lot of people want. And let me show you what I've done with some of them. Give you an example. It's really easy to use this. I'll move over here. See this one right here? I modified that one that I just showed you, the one with the eyelashes. I just modified it, and I just took an image from Google and put it here. And I just modified this to fit what I needed. And that's it, guys. All you gotta do, once you create it, just hit download. And what you're gonna do now, let's go over to YouTube. Once you got your video uploaded and you're ready to customize it, let me show you right here, guys, what I did. Okay, I'm gonna go to okay, see here, here's my video right here, and you can see my design right there, my image. And because if you don't do it, if you don't upload your own image, YouTube's gonna pick one for you, and you're kind of gonna be like the rest of everybody else, and you're really not gonna stand out. So let me show you how to do this. Once you get your video uploaded, okay, what you're gonna do is, okay, this thing's acting funny. Okay, what you're gonna do is hit edit video. And let me move myself again. Okay, when you're editing your video, it'll give you different screenshots you can use, but you want to create your own. So what you can do is, this is not going to be here. When you create a new video, it's going to say custom thumbnail. You're going to hit custom thumbnail. Then what you're going to do is you're going to hit download, and it's going to save it to here. And this is going, whatever you chose as your image is going to be right here. And it takes a few minutes for it to happen, to take place. So don't worry about it. It's there. And that's basically it, guys. It's so simple to do this. And it's really going to help you get more clicks on your videos and get more views just by just using this simple tool. And it takes you less than 5 minutes. Guys, now if you're looking to get serious with YouTube marketing and you want more leads and you want more sales from your videos, guys, go ahead and click the link below this video. I've got a YouTube video checklist for you. It's going to help you get your videos optimized to where they're generating leads and commissions on autopilot. Guys, thank you so much for viewing this video, and if you enjoyed it, please like it,